Meaning of grail.
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 Grail. The term grail typically refers to a holy or sacred object of great significance in Christian mythology and medieval literature. It is often associated with the cup used by Jesus Christ at the Last Supper, as well as with Arthurian legend, where the quest for the Holy Grail became a central theme. In modern times, the word grail has been adopted to describe any important or highly sought-after object or goal, particularly in the context of personal or professional achievement. Overall, the concept of the Grail represents a deep longing for spiritual fulfillment and enlightenment.